Behind every smell there is teeth. So hello everyone, today's topic is what are the treatment options we have if we have a missing tooth. So basically there are 4 best options available for that. First is RPD, which is removable partial denture. Second is FPD, which is fixed partial denture. Third is complete denture, and fourth is implants. Starting from price low to high, first we have RPD. इसमें एक प्लेट होती है जिसके ऊपर दांत अटैच होते हैं और उस प्लेट को पहनना होता है. मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ आरपीडी इज द रिकंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द प्रॉपर ओरल फंक्शन इंक्लूडिंग मैस्टिकेशन, एस्थेटिक्स, स्पीच एंड पेशेंट्स कंफर्ट. On the other hand, advantages of RPD include providing support to teeth having periodontal diseases and collapsed structures such as cheeks and lips. Added to that, it achieves better oral hygiene by preventing food stagnation in the empty space of lost teeth. Also, it is cheaper and requires few procedures intraorally than FPD. On the other hand, some of the drawbacks of RPD included poor oral hygiene if not properly cleaned, affecting the remaining teeth negatively and limiting the oral comfort. नेक्स्ट इज FPD. इसमें हम जो साइड वाले जो दांत होते हैं उनकी सपोर्ट लेते हैं और एक ब्रिज बनाते हैं और उस ब्रिज को दांतों के ऊपर फिक्स कर देते हैं. The major advantage of an FPD is that the replacement teeth are fixed in a place and provide a stable and natural appearing alternative to a removable prosthesis. And FPD generally provides good aesthetics, function and preservation of arch form. Disadvantages are caries and RCT failure of the abutment teeth are the most common causes of FPD failure. Caries occur more than 20% of the time and RCT failure 15% of the time. Third is complete denture. जैसे नेम से ही पता चलता है कंप्लीट डेंचर, तो ये उन पेशेंट्स में दिया जाता है जिनके मुंह में एक भी दांत नहीं बचा होता है, जिसकी वजह से वो खाना नहीं खा पाते हैं. इससे वो अच्छे से खाना खा सकते हैं और सेकेंडली उनकी एस्थेटिक्स भी मेंटेन हो जाती है. Some patients have only lower dentures, some have upper and some have both. So advantages of complete denture are they are economical option for replacing missing teeth in jaw, good aesthetic results and short treatment time. Disadvantages of complete denture is that some patients often feel complete dentures very bulky. The palatal extension of the denture usually covers the entire palate, which is sometimes not acceptable and can lead to altered speech and taste. Tongue and various other muscles can lead to displacement of the denture. Irrespective of good denture, retention and comfort, some patients are just unable to wear them in the mouth. Complete denture has to be realigned from time to time because all the patient exhibit changes in the jaw with time. Last is dental implants. ये थोड़े एक्सपेंसिव साइड पे जाता है बट दिस इज द बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शन. इसमें स्क्रू लेते हैं, उसको बोन के अंदर इंसर्ट करते हैं और उसके ऊपर क्राउन दिया जाता है. The implant process generally yields successful results, promoting a natural looking smile, improved teeth functionality and decreasing your chances of bone loss. If you are considering dental implant as a quick solution to your replacing missing teeth, here are few pros and cons you should consider. Advantages of dental implants. Dental implants can last a lifetime if taken proper care of. Dental bridges rely on neighboring teeth for support, whereas dental implants are fused into your jawbone. Caring of dental implants is generally quite easy as you would practice the same oral care as you would for your normal teeth. Implants look and function like real teeth. Disadvantages are the implant procedure cannot always be completed one appointment. Waiting for the actual implant to fuse with your jawbone can take a certain amount of time. Implants require a certain volume and density of bone. Dental implants are a surgical procedure and although it is considered safe, but risk included are infection, nerve injuries or bleeding. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe and share. Thank you.